Family and friends, top of the day, it's Monday and it's time for some motivation. So, if the dollar bill ain't worth charmin and a lottery ticket costs $1, you can see how most folks can get trapped into buying a whole lot of. Remember, from inflation, it's over 12 billion $1 bills circulating throughout the economy. The first recorded signs of lottery are keno slips from the Chinese Han Dynasty. These lotteries are believed to have helped to finance major government projects like the Great Wall of China. The purchase of lottery tickets cannot be accounted for by decision models based on expected value maximization. The reason is that the lottery ticket costs more than the expected gain. For example, upon purchasing your first lottery ticket, the odds of you winning are so astronomical you can expect to automatically lose that investment. So you start the game in the hole. This concept is spread across gambling in general, but you see how it applies to lottery, right? The fact is, you thought you could win $80 million based on your grandson's birthday, and you didn't mind paying $1 to take that risk. I mean, it's only charmin, right? Now, after you do this a few times or a few hundred times, you finally win, and this makes you happy, possibly happy to help. You're elated. You've won, right? Not really. At best, you possibly broke even or came close to getting your $40 back. To add content, in most states, this financial circus benefits the educational system at multiple levels. Maintaining a 3.0 GPA might be your only route to home ownership. As always, happy to help. Make it a great day.